We are here at the doctor with Wally, getting his tubes in his ears checked. He's playing with the toys while he waits.
Look at his mouth.
Who's that his mouth? Hopefully both of the tubes are still in his ears. We can go home. Yeah. He's at the ear doctor. Checking those tubes that's in his ear. Let me see in your ear. Ooh, I wonder if it's still in there.
The bugs.
Bugs? What bugs?
My ears.
You got bugs in your ear? His doctor has toys for them that they can play with while they wait. Yeah, your tube's still there. Yay. And look on the side. Yeah. They're both still there. Okay. I'm gonna take a little picture, okay?
Okay.
How old are you now? Wally, how old are you? 3. Hey, oh, what a big boy. Let's get this side. Perfect. Where's your nose?
Right here.
Where's your hat?
Right here.
She said your hat.
Where's your hat? Right here.
Good. Where's your shirt?
Right here.
Where are your shoes?
Right here.
Your fingers?
Yeah.
Your mouth? Your nose? Your eye? Where's your eye?
Right here.
Good. All right, I'm going to put these headphones over your ears. I'm going to go out there and talk to you, okay? And you just listen carefully. She's going to talk to you, and you got to listen to what she's saying, okay?
Yeah. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here.
I think he's getting them all right.
Okay.
They're trying to see. All right, you're doing so good.
Okay.
I want to see if you can do something else. Can you hold that for me? Hold it to your ear. Can you hold it up to your ear? We're listening for a birdie. Beep, beep, beep. When he goes beep, 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 we're going to throw the ball. Okay?
Beep, beep.
Hold it to your ear. You gotta
Not
listen.
yet. Not yet.
Listen. You ready?
Beep, beep,
No, you gotta listen for it. Listen. Beep, 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 beep.
beep, beep.
Do you
Now
hear it?
what?
Throw it.
Throw it.
If you hear it.
Good job. Let's try one more. So hold it to your ear. Listen.
Listen.
Listen for it.
No,
No,
no.
listen. Listen. Beep, 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 beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Now throw it.
Good. Okay, we're going to try this. Mom, I might need your help.
Okay.
Just handing him the balls.
Sure.
Let's see if he gets the hang of it.
Okay.
All right, big man.
You only throw it if you hear beep beep, okay? Don't
It'll be
throw
in
it.
your ear.
Don't throw it if you don't hear it, okay? You have to wait until you hear beep beep beep. When you hear beep beep beep, what do?
Beep, beep,
You throw it. Okay, wait. Do you hear it? Wait. Here. Throw it. That's right.
All right, good try, big man. He's not quite making that connection or whatever.
Right.
He's hearing it. So, okay, one more thing. When you hear it on this side, you're going to turn and look over here. If you hear it over here, turn and look this way for me. Okay? And stay in your seat and look right here to begin with.
You have to look right there. And when you hear something over there, you look, okay? But not yet.
Wow, look.
Do you hear something?
Okay.
Where is it coming from?
Mandy.
What do you hear?
That's right. Mandy duck.
Mm-hmm.
That one.
That's right.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
I love that. What about that one? That one. It's Minnie.
Minnie Mouse.
And look. And Donald.
Mm-hmm. Donald.
And another duck. And that one's coming out again. And that one coming out again. Another one coming out.
Mm-hmm.
Again.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
And that one again. And then the and that one. Oh my God, likes it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, very good. Everything looks good.
Great.
I
Well,
believe next visit he will be very ready to do the play audiometry.
Okay.
All right, can you give me a high five?
This one.
You did awesome.
Clean up.
Yep, you want to pick these up?
Like this.
Good job cleaning up your mess. So did he pass?
He did.
Very good.
Want to go play a little bit?
You said you want to play a little bit.
All right.
I got wood.
Yes, awesome, big man.
Very good.
Come on now. Where'd you get your pants?
All right, guys, we're back in our room. He passed his hearing test. Yay, Wiley! Those tubes in his ears are working. So he's doing good.
Hey,
Hi,
how are you
I'm fine. How are
Good.
you?
How's your ear? Let me hand it to you. You hop up there. I'll hand you the car.
Got it?
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
There you go. All right.
And then we go.
How old are you now?
Me.
3. Oh my goodness, you're getting so big. Let's tickle those ears. Oh, that looks perfect. Let's see the other one.
Then another ear.
You do have another ear. That looks perfect. Can you open up for me? Say, ah. Good job. Good job.
That's crocodile.
You want me to look in the crocodile's mouth? Oh, yep. That looks good. So both tubes are in place. Everything's nice and dry. Everything looks like it should.
Good.
His hearing's perfect. So nothing new we need to do.
Okay. And how much longer are they going to be in there?
Typically the tubes stay in 1 to 2 years, but it's really up to the body to decide when to push it out. So sometimes they can stay in a bit longer.
Okay.
Once we put them in, we kind of lose control. And there's no danger in them staying in longer.
Okay.
So we'll just keep seeing you guys till they come out.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right. Any other questions?
That's all.
Is he swimming much yet?
No, not yet. Not yet.
And he can. I mean, there's no problems with him swimming. You know, when they get older and they dive more than 3 feet under, you just need to wear ear protection. But at this point, he's free to get in the water. Show you those. See which one you want.
I want
Here. I think that's all of them right there.
And then there's Ninja Turtles
And then
too.
Ninja Turtles there.
What's your favorite, Turtles or Paw Patrol?
turtles.
I thought so.
You want that one?
This one.
I was surprised when he picked that one.
He probably didn't see the other ones because you got a turtle hat on.
All right, Ashley will get you guys checked out.
Okay, come on. You need help?
6 months.
Okay. Now we get to go. You did good. Look, let me see your sticker. But it matches his turtle hat. He did good.
Thank you.
You can hear good, huh? All right, let's go to the car.
Okay.
I gotta go get some gas. And then we might go see if we can find some stuff for Daddy's birthday party.
My this way.
Yep, you're right. This way. You got your directions down pat, huh?
And that way.
Yeah, that's right. Then that way. Out the door. Last time we came here was a big old Christmas tree right there. And you took a picture. This is a nice little office. You're going the wrong way. It's this way. On my hand.
I see monster truck.
You think that's a monster truck?
That's
It's a Jeep.
not
It's a Jeep. Alright. Let's get in the car.
okay. Let's see what we got.
Let's see if you can open the door.
Okay.
Can you do it? Or you need a little help?
I need a little help.
A little help. Okay. Let me help you. You got it. Good job.
Thank you.
Now go ahead and pull it open. Gotta touch this part right here.
Okay.
Right here. Good. Now pull it open.
Yes.
Good. Now get in.
I'm strong.
You are strong.
This one.
Go ahead, get in. And buckle, buckle.
A buckle.
Buckle, buckle. That's right.